and today my topic is something different. Suppose you have working in one file like GeoJSON file, and after that you reopen this GeoJSON file, and you have showing you have you are open in this JSON file, and this file is showing in something error like that. So I will show which how how to recover in this JSON file. uh, so let's start. So at first I open in my QGIS software, and suppose you have working in one file like JSON file. I have already stored in a sample JSON file, and you open this file in QGIS software, like you have showing in this error like invalid data source, and then GeoJSON is not valid or recognized data source. So how it is it will be solved, and how it will be data in a recover. So let's start. When you are working in huge data in this file, but you are when you are opening in this file in QGIS software, and after that it will be showing to in this error. So how it will be solved? At first you open in Google Earth Pro. Okay, and then you have open in this file, and which file is error in QGIS software. uh, I have open in this file in Google Earth Pro, and Google Earth Pro it will be showing in this data, but this data is not open in QGIS software. Okay, so first of all you have opened the file in Google Earth Pro, and after that you have export in this file as a KML or KMZ file. Okay, and I have saved in KMZ file. Okay, okay, and then you have saved, and after that uh, when you are saving this file in KMZ, then you have open in this KMZ file in your QGIS software, and then you have already selected all, and then you have click OK. It will be showing in this data source uh, you have working for how much area, how much data you will be working in this file, and it will be showing in QGIS software. Okay, and then you have export in your mm, which format you are required, at you are in export in this file. So thank you. I think it will be very helpful to us. So thank you so much, guys.